Welcome back to Swankey. In today's video, we are going to talk about the value of our final go live. So we're going to start for this video with Alexandra's big day in our event queue. On the top bar, we're going to scroll all the way to the right and press the final go live. This is where all of your hard work that you've done leading up to your big event resides. You are going to see your event summary that has the date, the time, the location of your event, as well as your event type. Your day of contacts, those people on your team for whom you are going to rely to pinch hit for you the day of. You'll see your guest summary where broken down are the number of guests you'll be having by category of young child, adult, as well as anyone who has dietary needs, plus any other needs. And you'll also see your day of schedule as you scroll down, starting at the top of the morning. That includes which of your guests or stakeholders would be involved, the location should you choose to add it, as well as any additional notes. Continuing to scroll down, you will see all the vendor details broken down by category, as well as if any deposit has been paid, any balance owed, as well as estimated tips for tipping out at the end of the event. You also will have a breakdown straightforward of your payments that you've made or any that need to be made. You'll have a link to any related events, as well as a wonderful alphabetical guest list of everyone who will be attending the event day of. In addition, if you have assigned seating, you will see every table listed with who will be seating where in case your guests need a little bit of help finding their location. And then, of course, you'll have a further breakdown of dietary and other needs for a quick list. And inevitably, hosts will have a last minute set of tasks or lists to do the day of. We have given you a place for them there. If you go over to the right of the page, again, you will see further breakdown of your list. You can see your guests, as well as you can go to highlights for payments. These are really just quick links for you to access. The wonderful thing about having the information pushed here is that you don't have to go ahead and re-edit it. Once you've saved all of these details to the various areas during the planning stage, they automatically get pushed here to your final go live page. Now you have the option to share it with anyone else. Maybe you want to share it with the venue owner or your day of coordinator. You can go ahead in the top right side of the screen, you can press print. You'll have the option to print it to a good old printer, or you can save as a PDF and then email it or text it as an attachment. So there you have it, your final go live functionality. Thank you for listening. Happy planning and happy hosting.